Do you know you can earn double rewards on VeryChat just by activating your node? Yes, you heard me. Today, I will show you how to activate your VeryChat node and start earning more Very tokens. Now, before we dive in fully, what is VeryChat node? A VeryChat node is a special system inside the VeryChat network that rewards users who help support the network. So if you hold or activate a node, you receive daily Very tokens reward. Now, node holders can earn rewards by holding the node and running it actively. So if you have a node and you are running it actively, you are going to receive a reward. This is just the VeryChat node. So if you have not started mining VeryChat, the link will be in the video description. Do well to start immediately. And if you're coming across this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share. Join our WhatsApp or Telegram channel for high value updates. So right now, I'm going to answer the questions. The first question is, how can you get a VeryChat node? Many people has asked that question countless times, how to get a VeryChat node. First, for you to get a VeryChat node, you must be active. The second thing you need to do for you to get a VeryChat node, you must have at least 32 referrals. Another thing that can help you to get the VeryChat node is that you must be in level 6. How do you be in level 6? Now you are going to click on this. Click on your username, that's you can see where I tap, click there. Once you tap it, you can now see the level, your level. You are going to see your level. Currently, I'm in level 7. Now, being in level 7 did not guarantee you receiving that NFT, that's the node. There are criteria attached to it. If you are in level 7 and you don't have a referral, at least 31 referrals, you will not receive the node. If you have 31 referrals, or let me say 32 referrals, and those your referrals are not active, you will not receive the node. Do you see? Being in level 7 will not guarantee me receiving the node if I don't have a referral. And if those referrals that I have are not active, I will not receive the node. So this is one of the criteria. Leave a message 3 times from VeryChat Node NFT team. The first one I received it was on January. Yeah, on January this year. That was when I received my first NFT. February, I received another message that unfortunately they were not able to give me my second node because my referrals are not active. Okay, look at it. January 2nd, that was when I received my first NFT node, and I was very happy. I have to do my KYC and start using the node. Now, on February 13th, I received a message. This is the message I received from VeryChat. That is what I said. If you're in level 7 or in level 6 and you have 31 or 32 referrals and you still not received the node, this is the reason. They said you have successfully met the invitation requirement. However, distribution is currently on hold. Did you see that? As we are verifying certain conditions such as activity level of invited users. At the next review system, we will see improvement in your invited users' activities and engagement. Your node will be automatically distributed. No further action needed. This was the message I received on February 13th because my referrals are not active. So the second question is, how do I know if I've gotten the VeryChat NFT or node? So you see this icon here. Once you receive this icon, know it that you have gotten the node. So what you do is just to tap on it, and you have to do your KYC. After you have passed your KYC, they are going to give you the node. The node will be mining for you and you'll be claiming every day, 24 hours. So the next question here is, how do I become a VeryChat node validator? How do I become a VeryChat node validator? To become a VeryChat node validator, there are benefits attached to it. The first benefit here is that you have a boost mining. You double your mining. How do you double your mining? If you have one VeryChat, that one VeryChat will give you at least 100 in 24 hours. But if you become a VeryChat validator, you are receiving 200. That means you have double your VeryChat mining for the day. So this is the first benefit. Now, you can see I have just one NFT. I'm supposed to have two, but they withhold my second NFT because my invited users are not active. So now that I have turned on my VeryChat status on, now that I have become a validator, a VeryChat validator, I'm going to be receiving at least 200 to 300 VeryCoin every 24 hours. This is the benefit. You double your mining. Another thing here is, so the second benefit as a VeryChat validator is you have the opportunity to earn from the VeryChat as revenue. This is massive. You will be earning the VeryChat as revenue. Now, if you scroll here, you will now see that. So look at it. VeryChat has a total supply of 10 billion Very. That is the total supply, 10 billion Very. And inside this 10 billion Very, 10% is for liquidity, 19% is for team and advisors, then 10% is for investors, and 10% is for ecosystem, and the 51% is for community. So this is the VeryChat total supply. And if you scroll down here, as a validator, you will be earning 20% of the ad revenue, VeryChat ad revenue. This is massive. You are earning VeryChat token, and you are also earning the VeryChat ad revenue. All these ads that are popping up on VeryChat, you are also benefiting. You are receiving 20%. This is huge. This is huge. So if you want me to help you activate your VeryChat so that you become a validator, reach out to me on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link will be in the video description. Do well to message me. The time you want to join the VeryChat validator team, I will tell you the procedure. Mind you, it is not free. For you to activate your VeryChat node, it is not free. But reach out to me. I'm going to give you the procedure on how to activate your node status on so that you start earning double Very token every 24 hours. So imagine if you have 2 NFTs or 3 NFTs and your node status is on. Man, you have made it. You have made it. Now let's go to my calculator. VeryChat is selling at the rate of 8 8 naira per Very. Let me say 8 naira per Very, and you have like let me say you are earning 200 Very in 24 hours times by 200, 1,600. 1,600, multiply it by 30 days. Multiply it by 30, you are getting 48,000 naira. Just like that. You're getting 48,000 naira in a month. Is this not monthly salary? Man, if you are missing VeryChat, you are missing a lot. Start mining, validate, become a VeryChat validator to double your rewards. The link will be in the video description. Thank you guys. VeryChat coin, chat to me as well. I will sell in the best rate for you. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.